guys, it's me and I'm coming to you with my Sephora haul. So as you know, every year Sephora does the VIB sale. So if you are a VIB, you get a 10% or 15% or 20% if you're Rouge. So I decided to show you the things that I bought. It took a bit, been busy, and on top of that, I hope I have everything that I bought, because I am happy to say that we are officially moving. Yay! So I'm so happy. If you saw the last couple of videos that I had posted, I was talking about you know, where I was living now and just venting, you know, about how much the place had changed, including where I was living. Just wasn't up to par anymore, and we made the decision to start looking for a new place to go, and we found one. So I'm very happy. It happened really quickly. We did not expect it to happen so fast, and we are actually moving next week. So this week I have been crazy packing, and just it's just so crazy because we're just on a limited time slot. So it's been crazy and it's a mess over here. I wanted to try and get up a video after this one, which was the SpongeBob by Wet n Wild. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get it up in time, so if it comes like way after next week, then you know what happened. So I'm gonna stop talking now. I'm just gonna show you all the cute little knickknacks that I got at Sephora. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with always get some favorites. You know, when you get your discount, I always end up, you know, getting my favorites and refilling on anything that I'm missing. So I went ahead and bought one of my favorite toners from Murad. So this is the Murad Hydrating toner. I also was using the one with vitamin C, which it wasn't bad, but I just felt like this one hydrates and leaves my skin just a little more moisturized and just a little bit smoother. So I went ahead and actually got two of these bad boys because I go through them like water. So this is one. Also restocked on my Genifique. So this is the Lancome Advanced Genifique Face Serum. So you know, whenever I'm doing videos on skincare or anything like that, you always see this baby come up in those videos because it's one of my all-time favorite serums. So I went ahead and got one of those. So I went and actually got some candles, which I usually do not get. Never have I bought a candle from Sephora before, but I decided, what the heck, let me try out. They had some candles in the sale section on Sephora.com. So if you're looking for, you know, trying to try out some candles, you want to try a different scent, then I would recommend going in there. So first of all, this was the first candle I got. This is from Capri Blue, and honestly, I've never heard of this brand, and I'm like a candle whore, but I've like never heard of this brand. I actually heard from it the first time by my job, because by my job there's a paper source store, and they were going out of business, and they had these candles that were actually there and on sale. That's really the only reason I got it. I was like, oh yeah, it's candles sale, there I am. So I went and bought one, smelled it, obsessed. This one is the Coconut Santo. I think I pronounced it right, but that was the one that I got on sale at the paper source store. Fell in love with it, and it's crazy because I don't usually get like coconut scents and like fruity scents and things like that. I'm more of like an earthy, woodsy type scents in candles, so it really surprised me how much I enjoyed it, but I loved the scent. So I went ahead and found it on Sephora. This is actually a different pattern. The one that I got from the paper source store is actually red and pink, the design, but this one is a beautiful turquoise blue, and it has all these really cool designs on it. Here it is right here. It has a single wick. Oh my gosh, it smells so freaking good. So I just had to go and get another one. And then I actually got this set of 3 candles right here. This is from Voluspa. I hope I'm saying it right, Voluspa. And this is the mini tin candle trio. So I believe they also sell these individually in that same sale, the sale, you know, the sale section on Sephora. It's funny because I tried these out and I haven't burned them yet. I've just smelled them. But here it is right here. It's not super big. It fits like in your hand, but it's a good size. and here it would look. And they're okay. So I was kind of, I don't know, kind of let down a little bit because I was really kind of excited about the candles. They don't smell bad. They smell okay. They're not my most favorite thing in the world, but I definitely will burn them. This one is Goji Tarocco Orange, so it definitely has that tangerine orange going on there. And then this one is French Cade and Lavender, so that would be this one. And it's okay. It's really, really soft, and I was expecting it to, you know, just be a little bit more, you know, out there. And this one is Panjori Lychee. So, and this one is really pretty, the packaging. I mean, they're not bad candles. They don't smell too bad. I mean, am I absolutely crazy for them? No. And would I buy them again? Most likely not. But I mean, it's a good way to try out new stuff, and this is why I bought it, because there's 3 of them, and it's a good way to figure out, you know, if you're actually going to like the scents or not. So I will burn these eventually in my new home. Yay! So here are the candles that I got in that sale. Okay, so continuing back into the skincare for a second, I also got, I don't know if you got these before, but I've gotten these in the past and they worked out fairly well. Peace Out Acne, and these are the little acne stickers that you put on. I find myself, you know, keeping them put away because you never know. I deal with hormonal acne, so I'm always getting like these freaking pimples over here. As a matter of fact, I have one over there, and you know, it's kind of sort of covered up. You know, but I always seem to use these, so I always keep these around, and these are really good if you feel like you have a little pimple going on and you stick a little sticker on there, and most of the time it looks a little better by the next day. I wouldn't say it's like a miracle worker, but then again, I mean, whatever, you know, but it does the job for me. It will, you know, reduce some redness, and it will reduce some swelling depending on the pimple that it is. I feel like it doesn't work on every pimple, so you know, trial and error. So this next product that I got, and this is actually from The Ordinary, and this is the Ordinary AHA 30% and BHA 2% peeling solution. I've been wanting to try this forever, so here is how it looks. And I love the price. It's just like $7 like $7.50 or something like that. So that is it right here. And I have used it, I think, like once or twice so far, because I'm only using this, you know, about once or twice a week. You really don't need or should put in more than that. Okay, this is a very potent peeling solution, exfoliating solution. Not peeling like you're peeling it off. It's an exfoliating solution. So, you know, you got to take it a little easy with those. If you have sensitive skin, your skin is, you know, prone to getting burned with these products, so please be careful with them. But when I tell you that this product is awesome, I was dealing with some texture around the nose area and really right here in like where the nostrils are, and this really took care of it. I really feel that it has made a difference in my skin. It has fixed my texture a lot, and it just makes me, I just feel like overall my complexion is brighter. My skin is much smoother and softer. I just love how it feels. And I might as well just go ahead and show you the next product that I actually work with in, you know, combination with that one. This is from Pharmacy. So this is the Pharmacy Deep Sweep, and this is a toner. This is the 2% BHA Pore Cleaning Toner. I use this at night. Now the directions say that you can use it morning and night, but I would say to enter this with caution, because again, these BHA, HAAs, you know, they are very potent in your skin, so you want to figure out which one would really work for you more. But this one, I really love this one now. So when I first used it, I felt like it dried up my skin, like it felt dry and tight. But then after that, I think like the second or third time I used it, and I also regulated it, I just started using it at night. So I only use this at night once with a cotton ball, sweep it over my skin, my nose, those areas where you have texture, and does wonders. I absolutely love it. So if you want to try something, you know, a little bit, you know, like you're beginning something out, you know, you can go ahead and try this one, but definitely liking this one. And then one more product. I have not tried this one yet, but I have to admit that I was, you know, taken in by the video I saw of Huda that was using it on her hands. So this is from Wishful, and this is the Wishful Yo Detox. So let me just go ahead and show you the packaging. So here is the packaging right here, and this is a face and body enzyme scrub, and I really wanted to try this out for my body, but my first thought actually was my hands, because your hands, you know, if you don't take care of your hands, they definitely do show signs of aging, sun damage, which I am noticing because I'm just not taking care of my freaking hands, man. So I wanted to really try this out and see if it works. It looked really interesting, it looked really cool, so I went ahead and got myself one. So I'll be updating you on how that works for me. Alright, so all the rest of the products are going to be makeup, because come on now. So first of all, I went and got this palette from Tarte, which I was eyeing for like 500 million years, and I finally was like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna go for it, I'm gonna go ahead and purchase it. So I did. So this is the Tarte lip palette right here. This is the Tarte Lip Juicy Amazonian clay palette. So I have not used it yet, but here are the colors, and I just really like it, really like it. It is up my alley with those plummies and those plums and pinks and cool neutrals. I really liked it. And it always smells so nice, so looking forward to using that palette. Got myself some blushes. I think I actually got myself too many blushes, kind of regretting it now. But first of all, let me show you. So first, I got these blushes from Sephora because, I don't know, they kind of look cute. I don't really use Sephora stuff. Maybe I should do a video where I just, you know, make a full face of like Sephora products and see how they work out. But I went ahead back on the sales, you know, the sales section, and got these, I guess, like blush illuminator type things from the Sephora brand. So I'm just trying to get through the, I broke my nail. I broke my nail packing, y'all. So all right, so I only got two. So these are called Sephora Golden Hour. So these are highlighting powders. So it says you can, it's a highlighting powder with soft luminosity to give the effect of sultry evening light. So not so much a blush, it's really more of an illuminating powder. So the two that I got was this one, which is called Twilight. So that is that color right here. I just want to go ahead. Okay, so yeah, it gives like, it almost looks like, you know, like a pure highlighter, but I don't think this would be potent enough to be a highlighter. Yeah, this would definitely be like a lighting, you know, those highlighting powders. And then the other one I got is Dusk. So ooh, it's broken. It is broken. I don't even know what to say. Oh my gosh, it is so broken. Like, you see that? Like, I don't even know what to say, and I got this a little bit ago. I don't even know if they would replace that. My heart is broken. My heart is broken. But I'll swatch it for you anyway, just so that you can see it. It's like a really cute, like a pink type champagne-y thing. Oh my gosh, I'm so sad. Okay. I don't know, I might have to email Sephora or something. I don't know. Alright, I'm gonna have to clean this up, and I will show you the rest of my products. I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, I am back. Cleaned up the mess. My nail is like breaking more. God, this is just not good right now. We'll see what happens. I'm not gonna let it tear me down. So let me show you the two other blushes that I got. So the two other blushes that I got were from KBD Beauty, even though the packaging does not say KBD Beauty, but it's okay. So I got, and I wanted to try out these blushes forever. So they were on sale, and then on top of, you know, the VIB discount, I was like, yeah, I'm gonna take them now. So these are the Everlasting blushes. So I got two of them. So this one is Foxglove, and this one is Honeysuckle. So I'm just gonna go ahead and, you know, the packaging is so pretty on these blushes. Well, at least this one is intact. So this is the Foxglove. It's so nice. And then this one right here is Honeysuckle. Okay, this one's intact, thankfully. So here is the other color. Very nice colors. I like them both. And the packaging is really pretty, if you can see that. So gotta appreciate the packaging. Okay, and I usually don't use blush sticks, but these from Hourglass that came out not too long ago, they really, you know, caught my attention. So I wanted to get one of those. My plan was one, I got two. I don't know, I have problems. But just let me show you the two that I have. So first of all, here's the packaging, which is also luxurious packaging. It says Hourglass right here on the barrel. So this color is Devoted, and I just want you to see the color right there. Looking forward to, I mean, I usually don't use sticks on my face. I don't know, I just don't care. I'd rather just use powder because I don't care for those type of products. But these products really look nice, so I want to give them a shot. This one is Loyal. So that one I showed you was Devoted, and this one is Loyal. And they look almost the same, but I'm gonna try them out anyway to see if really, you know, if there is a type of difference. And if there is a difference, then obviously I'll keep them. Okay, and then the last thing that I got was, and it's also from Hourglass, this is the Vanish Seamless Finish Foundation Stick. I've been wanting to try this. It looked very interesting, and I like stick foundations. So here is the packaging of that one with the same concept, Hourglass. And here is my color. Well, the color that I got it in is in the color Vanilla. So that is the color right there. So, and hopefully this will work out. You know, it's kind of, you know, sometimes it's a little bit challenging finding foundation colors when you're shopping online, you know, because the pictures, you know, they look different. When you get it in person, then it looks completely different to, you know, what you ordered. So hopefully that won't be the case with these, and it will work out. There you have it, guys. Those are all the products that I got at the Sephora VIB sale. And liking all my products, looking forward to using all my products, and of course reusing the products that I'm always rebuying. And that's it. So I hope that you guys are safe and healthy. And hopefully I can put up one more video before we move. One more. But if not, and you see that I'm MIA again, it's because we are involved in the move, and I have to, you know, put everything back in place. I've already taken a week off from work and all that stuff to get everything in order. So I am super excited. So say a little prayer for us that everything goes well. So I will see you guys in the next video. Adios.